Greetings, beloved souls. As the great Ralph Waldo Emerson once proclaimed, the highest wealth is health. Truly, the state of our physical, mental, and spiritual wellness is a priceless treasure that we must cherish and nurture with utmost devotion. Today, we embark on a wondrous journey into the mystical realm of mudras for health, a practice that has been revered for centuries in spiritual traditions around the world. What is mudras? In today's fast-paced world, where we are always on the go, it's essential to take a moment to pause and connect with our inner selves. Mudras provide us with that much-needed break and help us channel our energy to attain optimal health. Mudras are symbolic gestures or postures, typically performed with the hands and fingers, that hold significant spiritual and therapeutic meaning. Mudras work on the concept of subtle energy or prana, which flows through our body in channels known as nadis. When we perform specific mudras, we activate these energy channels, allowing the prana to flow freely, leading to a balance of physical, mental, and emotional health. There are different types of mudras that focus on various health benefits, such as reducing stress, anxiety, and depression, improving concentration, and enhancing memory. Moreover, did you know that mudras also have the power to activate specific parts of the brain? Yes, you heard it right. When we perform certain mudras, we activate specific regions of the brain, leading to improved cognitive function, memory, and overall well-being. Origin of mudras. Mudras have been used in various spiritual practices such as yoga, meditation, and Hindu and Buddhist rituals. The word mudra is derived from the Sanskrit language and means seal, gesture, or mark. In ancient times, it was believed that our body was made up of 5 elements: air, water, earth, fire, and space. Mudras were used to balance these elements within the body and promote physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. The ancient sages and gurus who discovered this power knew that it was a gift from the divine. They discovered that by moving their fingers and hands in specific ways, they could connect with the energy that flowed through the universe. They found that by holding these mudras, they could access deep states of meditation and connect with the divine within themselves. These ancient spiritual practitioners shared the power of mudras with their disciples and followers, passing down this sacred knowledge from generation to generation. They knew that the power of mudras could heal the body, calm the mind, and awaken the spirit. As time passed, the use of mudras evolved and adapted to different cultures and spiritual practices. Today, we still honor the ancient wisdom of mudras, using them to connect with our higher selves and with the divine. With each mudra we hold, we tap into the sacred energy. This energy flows through us and all around us. It reminds ourselves that we are part of something greater than ourselves. Subtle body. As we explore the world of mudras, it's important to understand the significance of the subtle body. The subtle body refers to the energy system that exists within us, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining our physical, mental, and emotional health. Mudras are powerful tools that can affect the subtle body, helping to restore balance and harmony within. By practicing mudras, we can tap into the subtle energies that flow within us and harness them for our well-being. One way that mudras impact the subtle body is through their connection to the chakras. Chakras are energy centers located throughout the body, and each one is associated with a specific set of qualities and attributes. Mudras can be used to activate and balance these chakras, helping to improve our overall health and vitality. 10 powerful mudras. Use and benefits. Of the hundreds of mudras available, 10 are commonly used in meditation, yoga, and artwork. These sacred hand gestures possess divine energy and can serve as a powerful tool for spiritual growth and transformation. Jnana Mudra, Mudra of Consciousness. This mudra is formed by touching the tip of the thumb to the tip of the index finger while keeping the other 3 fingers straight. It symbolizes knowledge and helps improve memory, concentration, and clarity of thought. It is often used during meditation or pranayama, breathing exercises. Abaya Mudra, the Mudra of Bravery. This Bravery Mudra is made by raising the right hand to shoulder level with the palm facing outwards and fingers pointing upwards. It represents protection, peace, and the dispelling of fear. It is commonly seen in depictions of Buddha and is a symbol of his fearlessness. Vayu Mudra, the air gesture. For this, place the index finger at the base of the thumb and apply gentle pressure with the thumb. Vayu Mudra helps with conditions related to the air element in the body, such as gas, bloating, and arthritis. It can also help to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Apana Mudra, detoxification hand position. Apana Mudra is formed by bringing the tips of the middle and ring fingers to touch the tip of the thumb, while keeping the other finger straight. It aids in digestion, elimination, and overall detoxification of the body. It can also help to increase vitality and energy. Madara Mudra, Mudra of Jewel. To practice this, hold the right hand in front of the chest with the palm facing outwards and the fingers pointing upwards, while the left hand rests on the lap. Madara Mudra represents the holding of a precious jewel, which can be interpreted as a symbol of inner knowledge or enlightenment. Vitarka Mudra, the Teaching Mudra. This mudra is made by joining the tips of the thumb and index finger together, forming a circle, while keeping the other finger straight. Vitarka Mudra is commonly seen in depictions of Buddha and represents the transmission of knowledge and teachings. It is often used in meditation to enhance concentration and wisdom. Varad Mudra, Mudra of Kindness. To do this, extend the left hand downwards with the palm facing outwards while keeping the fingers straight. Varad Mudra is a symbol of giving and generosity and is often seen in depictions of deities and saints. It is believed to help cultivate a spirit of generosity and kindness. Prana Mudra, life force gesture. Prana Mudra is created by touching the tip of the thumb to the tips of the ring and little fingers while keeping the other fingers straight. It is believed to help balance the prana, life force, in the body, improve vitality, and boost the immune system. It is often used during meditation to enhance focus and energy. Budhy Mudra, gesture of perception, intellect. Budhy Mudra is formed by touching the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger while keeping the other fingers straight. It enhances perception, intuition, and wisdom. It can also help to calm the mind and reduce stress. Namaskara Mudra. Last but not least, Namaskara Mudra is created by bringing the palms of the hands together in front of the heart center, with fingers pointing upwards. It is a gesture of respect and gratitude, and is often used as a greeting or farewell in spiritual and cultural contexts. It is believed to promote a sense of unity and harmony. So these were the 10 mudras that hold the secret to perfect health. Remember while practicing these mudras to stay persistent and mindful. Start with simple mudras and gradually work your way up to more advanced ones. May you find peace, harmony, and good health on your journey. If you found this video on mudras helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. And don't forget to share this video with your loved one.